Hey guys, welcome back. This is my dress for the day. Don't come for me. It needs to be ironed. Oddly enough, I was ironing this earlier today. That's when I went live. But I didn't iron this. This has been in my closet for a long time. It's a coral little dress. It's got the liner and then this on the top. I think it's really cute. It's very simple, but it's very cute. I believe that I got this at TJ Maxx, I want to say. It's either TJ Maxx or Steinmart. I'm not sure. I have another one that's a blue one, like just the same thing as this. But yeah, I want to thank you guys. Let me just turn on my thing here. I want to thank you guys for the new subscribers. Thank you for coming along. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Comment, share the videos. I really appreciate it. For you guys that have been with me for a while now, I thank you for staying with me. I appreciate you tremendously. I did get to talk to some of you guys earlier. I did pull live, like I said. It was just a spontaneous thing. I thought I would have caught more people. There wasn't really that many people in it, but it was fun. I got to chit chat with some of you for a minute, and it was fun. And I'm going to go live in about an hour again for the people that are overseas, and like probably tomorrow for them. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:26 p.m.
So about 11:30, I'm gonna go live. So I hope to see you guys there because I gotta upload this and update my other sites as well. So about 11:30 or so, I'll be live. I hope to have you guys come join me for a little chit chat. Let me know if you guys like my dress. How's the color? I had mentioned before that I believe this is one of the colors that looks really good on my skin. Compliments my skin. You guys let me know what you think. My shoes are light pink because I don't have a coral shoes. And they are Christian Siriano, like most of the ones I have. And this is like a little, like a net type of thing. And this is how I look today. My pigtails. If you guys like the pigtails, I'm rocking the pigtails. Yeah, but let me know how you guys like the dress. Like I said, I really like it. It's very light. I've worn this one probably more than any of the other dresses I've modeled for you guys, only because it's so light. And Florida's super hot. I don't even wear t-shirts because I don't like my arms covered because I feel like I'm suffocating. Also, for whatever reason, if I have my ankles covered, like with jeans or leggings, I feel like I'm suffocating. When I wear leggings, I have to wear them up here because I don't know. It's a mental issue I have, I guess. So yeah. I should be getting my other orders. I think I got some dresses. I got 2 orders out from Shein. I think I have mini dresses on both. Also, I spoke with you guys earlier on the live, and I asked for you guys to start commenting on what you would like for me to wear for like Halloween. I was thinking Elvira, Mistress of the Dark. I don't know, the ones that are older will probably know who she is. But you guys, like, let me know. We don't have that many days left, but if I can get, if you guys don't want Elvira, I can maybe get a different outfit. Just a little something, something, something. A little bit different, spice it up a little bit. I also did upload some stuff, some videos into my other sites. It is a pay-per-view video. If anybody wants to take a look, that's all up there. And yeah, this dress, the downside, it doesn't have pockets. It doesn't have pockets. It needs to be ironed. I don't love to iron. I'll iron if it's a complete necessity, like it's wrinkled horribly, then I'll iron, but it's not something that I love to do. gonna be uploading. I did a video today of bikini gardening, but I didn't upload it yet because I'm still editing it. I was watering my plants in my bikini. So I'll be uploading that into fan view probably tomorrow, maybe tonight, depending. It's probably gonna take a while to edit it, depending on how long the live lasts. I was on the last live this morning for an hour, so we'll see how it goes. But yes, I want to salute everyone all across the world. Canada, Italy, France, Germany, England, Scotland. I love the Scotland accent. England too. I love the English accent. And just everyone. I've been noticing more people here in the U.S. So I guess my videos are starting to go in the U.S. as well. They were going overseas mostly. But yes, I appreciate all of you for coming along with me and being part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much. And if you guys could please go check out my other sites. I do have Twitter or X and Instagram and TikTok. I'm trying to build up the TikTok one, so I want to get them all monetized. Trying to get money. You know, because it's what makes the world go round. So if you guys could go over there and subscribe to those channels as well. Let me know in the comments what type of content you would like for me to upload other than dresses. I know you guys want to do bikini gardening. We're going to be doing some cleaning videos with different outfits. I just haven't gotten the outfits yet. But once I get that, I will start. I have to clean this week, so I'm going to be doing cleaning videos this week. I literally have to record everything I do in order to have enough content. So I'll be cleaning. I need to clean my bathrooms. I need to do my floors. So I'll be recording that. But I am waiting for some costumes. Yeah, so let me know if you like my shoes. You guys like to watch me take off my shoes. So these are not just slip off. I need to unbuckle it. These are very comfortable. And there's nothing like taking off heels. When I was younger, I used to wear heels all day long, and my feet wouldn't hurt. But now, it's like ow. So here they are. They're pretty. I wear a size 6.5, kind of a small. I think it's the average for women, but everywhere I go, I see women with big feet, like nines. Mine are 6.5. So yeah, everything about me is petite, except my stomach. I need to get rid of this thing. You got any secrets? So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload this. Like I said, I will be on air about 11:30 or so. Maybe earlier, maybe not. And I hope to see you guys then. Please continue to like my content, comment, share, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, the notifications bell. I think I have something on my foot. I don't know if this happens to anybody else, but I have dogs, obviously. And when I walk on the bare floors the dogs have walked on, sometimes their little hairs that they shed will get into my feet like needles and poke me. I have to get them out. Does that happen to anybody else, or am I the only person in the world that happens to? Yeah, so for you guys that commented that my house is nice, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Work very hard for all these things that we have. Both my husband and I, we work very hard to have these things. But I appreciate that you guys thinking they're cute. And yeah, So I'm gonna go upload the content. Sometimes it's really fast, sometimes it's slow. I don't know if you guys notice, sometimes it goes duplicate. That's because like I'll be uploading it. I use my phone mostly to upload videos, and I'll upload it, gets stuck, so then I try to cancel it. I cancel that and I upload it again, which goes through faster, but then the one that I cancel uploads as well. So that's why I've noticed there's like a couple of them that have duplicates. It's not that I'm giving you the same, I'm not pushing the same video. It's just for whatever reason that one that I cancel keeps going, and then it eventually does end up loading. But yeah, love my possums. I love possums. Oh, she needs water. Yeah, I gotta water her tomorrow. Yeah, love my possums. All right, my lovelies, I shall let you go. Like I said, I am gonna go on live about 11:30 once I finish uploading this video, and we shall chit chat then. Thank you so much for all the support on this channel and all my other platforms that you may be included in, and I will talk to you later. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Love you guys. Bye bye.